I'm here with Alex. Alex, you just wanted to give a quick idea to anyone that visits the factory and the workshop as to what they would see.
Yeah, so we've got show studios. So we've got the 12 by 9.
That's the 12 by 9 QC6 with the decking and the flyover.
We've got the 12 by 8 QCV with the decking and the flyover. All set up. I'm walking through the other part of the kibble room. We've got the.
So this is the L-shaped annex.
The L-shaped annex. As you can see, quick look around, so you can visit that.
And the bathroom is in there. The kitchen. The bedroom.
Coming out of there, we've got
QC6. This is the largest.
this is a 30.
It's just under 30 square meters, isn't it?
Yeah. So, and this is a gymnasium, so it shows you, we've got the running machine, the weight, cross trainer.
Yeah. So there's decoupled floor there as well. Isn't
Yeah.
it? And you've put in a dividing wall.
So what we've done on this one is we're demonstrating that this. Lots of people say I want a gym and an office. So what we've done is we've put an office and a gym, and we've just divided it with a dividing wall.
Yeah, and it's all the same big building.
Yeah. So this is 6 foot by 12 foot small office.
Office. Yep.
And you've got this huge gym.
Yep.
So you can divide it. Where you put the dividing wall is up to you. You can put it
Yeah. Yeah.
anywhere you want. Then we've got the famous 16 by 8. That's our most popular selling studio. And then coming around here in the workshop, we've got a tiny 8
8 foot by 4 foot.
by 4 foot studio. So if you wanted something small, and then we go in here. We've got a cafe. So if you're going to make a long journey, you can come in, have something to eat.
What are the hours though? It's not open all day, is it?
No, it's open 9:30 till 2:30.
Right. So best if they can come. If you're going to visit around midday.
Yeah, but we still generally can get you a coffee.
Yeah.
And there will be soups to be had that can be microwaved.
Okay. Brilliant. That's great. Thank you.